The massage ball exercise for the neck helps relieve muscle tension and reduce stiffness, promoting relaxation and improved mobility. You can do this standing against a wall or while lying on the floor with your neck slightly elevated on a step. Here's how to do it correctly. Stand with your back next to a wall or lie flat on your back on the floor with your head elevated on top of a step. Place the massage ball between your upper neck and the wall, or if you're lying down, place the ball under your neck on top of the step. Gently lean into the massage ball, applying light pressure on the muscles at the base of your skull. Start with a light amount of body weight against the ball. You can increase the pressure as your muscles relax. Slowly move your neck up and down or side to side, allowing the massage ball to roll along the base of your neck. Focus on any tight or tender spots, pausing for 15 to 30 seconds to apply pressure. Continue rolling the ball around your neck muscles for 30 to 60 seconds, focusing on relaxing as the ball targets muscle tension. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.